got the Skiptech HS2000 here. We've already done the on-the-air test. Sorry, this is the on-the-air test. We've already done the field test. And if you watch that, you'll see we didn't quite get Wilsford level crossing, so it's like 2.5 miles on the rubber duck aerial provided. So, and if you remember when I showed you the customer's one, which we couldn't fix because of ingress of moisture, you've just got a centre loaded short rubber duck, so we can't expect miracles. So we're now going to do it as a base station plugged into our roof aerial as usual, plugged into the power supply. So let's see how it goes. His starting point, because he's come back from the other test, is the petrol station. So he's not at the end of the lane, he's at the petrol station. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yeah, we're on the test now.
Roger that, just setting off from Lancaster service station.
Roger, got you loud and clear.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads. If any of you have got an instruction book for the Skiptech HS2000, I would be pleased to have a scan of that emailed to me. It's one of the sets which we've got absolutely nothing on whatsoever.
Right, we're just passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill. Roger, got you going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a Skiptech HS2000FM hand portable, and it's doing 2.9 watts over. Excellent. Roger, got you going over Wilsford level crossing. Make sure that squelch is dropped. It's not the best squelch in the world. It either chatters or... yeah. Roger, I've got you at the Kelby turn. I'm only can read you because I've got the squelch right down. Roger, getting you at the Greyleys turn with the squelch right down. Roger, got you going over Rawsby level crossing, and once again I got the squelch right down. So that's where the test ends. Thank you very much. Say 10-10. Okay, so that's not the best receiver in the world. Now on the test instrument it was doing 0.4. Let's see what it says. That was doing 0.34 of a microvolt. But, you know, it's coping with other things, isn't it, when it's on the aerial. We've got RAF Cranwell with the ground radar 4 miles away, if that, and some radios which are not so good, but it's a crystal filtered receive, so I don't see, you know, why that's as poor as it is. But at the end of the day, we got the 6 miles on it, but I did have to have that squelch down. So there you are, HS2000 on the air test, and thank you for watching. And I say I've already recorded the field test. So we're doing these kind of topsy-turvy. We're recording this second. It's just convenient for us because it was getting darker, and I didn't want Mr. Chippie out with the body cam in the dark and not being much of a picture. So there we go. That's it. HS2000 from Skiptech. These were about 1989, 1990.
Tango 21, testing the Skiptech into our Harrier CBHQ base station. Testing 1 2 3 4 5, 5 4 3 2 1, and as ever, thanks for watching.